Hi, welcome back to my channel. So it has been raining non-stop for several days and we are stuck inside. So I've been putting together little activities for Angel to play with inside, even though he hates playing inside and would much prefer that to play outside or play in the rain. So anyways, I put these activities together to keep him entertained and he loves them. So I thought I would vlog for you what we're doing in the inside during the rainy season. I hope you like this video. So, for this first activity, what we did is we blew up a balloon, which Angel loves to play with anyway. And then what you do is you take 2 paper plates, if you have them left over from birthday parties or anything, and you take your packing tape and wooden spoons. And you make indoor table tennis or indoor
Tennis,
yeah. So, wooden spoon to the back of the paper plate. And here's your paddles. Okay. For this next one, all you need is a Ziploc bag, some hair gel, and some googly eyes. You put it all in the Ziploc bag, you seal the Ziploc bag, make sure it's secure, and we taped the top so he can't get it undone. And then you tape it to a window and let them play with it, or they can play with it in their hands. The one that he's playing with is drops of paint, so I poured 3 different colored paints into a Ziploc bag, secured it, tape it to the window, and then he can window paint without making any mess. And of course, cars on the window ledge are always a hit. Where's the eyeballs? Are those eyeballs in there?
Look, do this. Like this, baby. Look, come here. You roll the ball. Over there and roll your ball. Roll your ball. Roll the ball and knock them down. Not the big ball. Roll this ball. Look, come here. Come here. Push it. Try again.
Yay! Tell Daddy, rack them up.
That one works too.
Get ready, Daddy, he's coming. He's ready, Angel. Get him.
Roll your ball.
Yay! And with the rain continuing and continuing, we continue to find new ways to entertain Angel inside, and sometimes even technology wins out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on our next adventure. Bye!